HCTI stock analysis and HCTI stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I am the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. The healthcare triangle is just bearish. And even from like this instance, when something is 78% down, what do you expect, right? Probably getting the list on the NASDAQ, on the OTC. All I have to say is that I'm going to stay far away from HCTI. And we can have some final pushes of life, you know, and the price can definitely pump up. But honestly, these sort of plays, it's just like such a big headache, and I've learned my lesson with these. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy. And I do have a lot of receipts on HCTI. I do think though, right? Yeah, and I mean at the time it was a lot better. Now it's not touching it, honestly. Goodbye and enjoy.